Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Triple N Talk Show. I am Dr. Nick Nickham. We are delighted you could join us. We have fascinating guests today, and all our programs are video streamed through YouTube and Google Plus. Please subscribe to. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we have more than 1,000 videos accenting our experience here in the United States. We also have a Facebook page, which is Triple N Media, and we would like you to please visit our Facebook page and like it, and there we bring you the latest buzz from around the world. Today I have two special guests. To my right is Master G. Trivedi. Mr. Trivedi.
Namaskar.
Namaskar. Delighted to have you. And next to him is Dr. Sarita Mehta. And okay, and Mr. Trivedi is an expert in dance, drama, music. He is a cultural ambassador for Indian culture and heritage, and we're going to learn a lot about his journey in the field of dance, music, theatricals. Okay, Mr. Trivedi, let's start off. Give us a little bit about your introduction.
Thank you, Mr. Nikam. My name is Indrodhan Trivedi. I am staying in United States last 15 years. I am also the work for the social worker, and I run the school, Janka School of Dancing, 10 years. And every year we give a Indo-American heritage program. Every time success. Because of the United States, I am proud.
Dr. Sarita ji, you can give us a little bit about your introduction.
Yes, I am Dr. Sarita Mehta. I am actually from the teaching professions, lecturer in Rice University, teaching Hindi language, Indian culture, and now independently I am a writer also with written few books. From last 19 years I am in USA, and it's my opportunity got to work with Har Har Mahadev, with Master Ji, so it's my pleasure.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching a Triple N Talk Show, which is live video streamed through YouTube and Google Plus. Okay, Master Ji, maybe you can tell us how you got in the field of dance, music, theater, and all this.
Dr. Nikam, when I was small, I am so naughty.
Is that right?
And my father said, what are the energy? Let me put in the dance.
Yeah.
And then I started dancing age of the 7. I complete the Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, and other folk dances. So this is my career to start. And then I joined with the Mallika Sarabhai, the international fame. I toured with the New York, Japan, Hong Kong, and Asia.
I see.
And performed the professional program Mahabharata, Ramayana, and Chandalika, Krishna Leela, and my classical dance. That's why I do this one.
That's fascinating. So you at what age did you start learning Bharatanatyam?
Age of 7.
7.
Yeah.
So you completed your Arangetram and all this?
Yeah, Arangetram and postgraduate.
I see, yeah. And what got you involved with the drama and theater and all this?
Of course, so this Darpana Academy is a dance, drama, and puppet, 3 faculty.
Oh, I see.
I have very good opportunity to learn both of. The drama department, I learned the several drama, Hindi, Marathi, and Gujarati. And we are success to perform the 100 and 200 performance in the all over the India, Delhi to Kanyakumari.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you have been watching a Triple N Talk Show. I am Dr. Nick Nickham, and we are talking about Master Trivedi, who is an expert in Bharatanatyam, dance, and also music and theater. Okay, let's talk about what kind of music do you do?
We use a classical and like classical tabla, sitar, flute, and santur, and we can choreographic like a different type of a new creation.
I see, yeah.
One time my interview channel 8, they asking me, okay, you are doing the dance with the painting. I start the dance with the painting, but okay, we don't allow your music. We he went to our piano.
I
So the piano is running, same thing I am dancing. And
see.
I make peacock painting.
Oh, I see. Yeah, that's fascinating. And next to him is Dr. Sarita Mehta, and I think you have a couple of questions for him, right?
Yes, I have two questions. If you permit, can I ask in Hindi?
That's
So
fine,
that
that's wonderful.
okay.
Go ahead, please.
Yes, मैं खुद को बहुत खुशकिस्मत समझती हूँ कि मुझे इस आध्यात्मिक योगदान में हर हर महादेव के कार्य में मुझे योगदान करने का मौका भी मिला। और मास्टर जी, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, ये मेरे लिए आध्यात्मिक ग्रोथ के लिए और बड़ा अच्छा था। पर कुछ सवाल मेरे दिमाग में जैसे कुलबुला रहे हैं, क्या इजाजत है तो आपसे पूछ सकती हूँ?
जरूर।
ओके, इंसान को ईश्वर का दर्शन कब होता है?
इंसान को ईश्वर का दर्शन तब होता है कि जो उसका मन निस्वार्थ हो जाता है और ईश्वर की इच्छा होती है, तब उसका दर्शन होता है। जब दर्शन होता है तो दर्शन मात्र से उसके पूर्व जन्म के कर्म भी धो जाते हैं। तो उसके लिए उसको निस्वार्थ होना चाहिए। हर नूर का इलाम खुशहाली है, हर नूर का इलाम खुशहाली है। बेहतर प्यार बांटना, सकून का बारिश सरहदें नहीं। जब जब धरती पर पाप बढ़ जाता है तो इंसान बनकर, इंसान जैसा होकर विशेष गुणों का प्रदर्शन परम शक्ति को करना पड़ता है। सर्वगुण संपन्न, सर्वश्रेष्ठ, सर्वज्ञ, सर्वव्यापक, सर्वशक्तिमान, त्रिकारदर्शी, अंतर्यामी, अजय और पूर्ण, ऐसे परम शक्ति को धरती पर आके अपने गुणों का प्रदर्शन करना पड़ता है। हमारा सौभाग्य है हम भारत का कि आज वो परम शक्ति श्री मदन के नाम में धरती पर है, वो हमारा सौभाग्य है।
बहुत बहुत खूब। पर एक बात जहन में जरूर आती है कि एक इंसान एक आदर्श इंसान कैसे बन सकता है?
बहुत अच्छा प्रश्न। जैसे महात्मा गांधी आदर्श बने, उसने अपने प्रैक्टिकल करके दिखाया अपना जीवन को। आई एम ए नाइदर मेल और फीमेल बट आई एम ए पावर। जो पावर जो होता है इन्फेंटिव होने लगता है कुदरत का। इट इज ए साइंटिफिक एज, नो वन कैन बिलीव ब्लाइंडली अनलेस द प्रूव प्रैक्टिकल। और इसी तरह से जब प्रैक्टिकल श्री महात्मा गांधी ने करके दिया है कि अहिंसा धर्म, और ब्रिटिश को हटा दिया, भारत को 1947 में आजाद कर दिया, दैट्स द आदर्श। और हमें सबको भी उनकी तरह आदर्श बनना चाहिए।
Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching a Triple N talk show. I am Dr. Nick Nickham, and we are talking about Master Trivedi, and along with him is Dr. Sarita Mehta. Okay, Master Ji, maybe we'll talk about the most recent show you had, Har Har Mahadev. Tell us how it got started.
हर हर महादेव एक शिव की ही पुरानी बात है, जो आदि देव से लिखा हुआ है। वो हम ऋषि मुनियों ने जो सिखाया हम करते आए हैं, पर उसके ऊपर भी एक बात है जो हम नहीं जानते हैं। जो उसको जो शिव जब भी आराधना करते हैं तो आंखों उनकी बंद होती है आदि, तो वो किसकी आराधना करते हैं? वो वही सुप्रीम पावर परम शक्ति की आराधना करते हैं। और वो परम शक्ति सारी दुनिया को बनाया। आज तक जितने धर्मों बने, जितने भी महात्माओं बने, किसी ने विश्व बंधुत्व नहीं किया, लेकिन हमारा हर हर महादेव ने 75 पीपल ने इकट्ठा होके हर ड्रामा की तैयारी से पहले विश्व बंधुत्व की जय का ललकार किया। पूर्ण होने के बाद विश्व बंधुत्व की जय। विश्व बंधुत्व यूएसए में से शुरू हुआ है और होके रहेगा, और भारत को भी इसमें मानना पड़ेगा। भारत अखंड भारत बनेगा, ये मेरा ऐलान है।
When I'm listening to you, I feel like I'm listening to Narendra Modi.
Everybody,
Honestly.
actually, Narendra Modi also take a blessing from me
Is that-
before he is a prime minister.
tell us your meeting with Narendra Modi. Where did you
Okay,
meet?
2013 में हम जब
Yeah.
अहमदाबाद टू दिल्ली आई एम फ्लाइंग for the Sri Madan Dham,
Yeah.
the Param Shaktis. That time, suddenly the Narendra Modi come to in my near the seat
I see.
and say, okay, where you are coming from? Make, I am a spiritual leader of United States of America, Houston.
Oh.
Oh, glad to see you, President. Then I talk about, make a, please, if you are going to Raitos path, you are win or victory, and that happened.
Yeah, that's true. Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching a Triple N talk show. I am Dr. Nick Nikam, and my special guest is Master Trivedi, and next to him is Dr. Sarita Mehta. Okay, we were talking about Narendra Modi. Okay, let's continue with this. You were telling about this Har Har Mahadev. How long did it take you to put the whole program together?
Har Har Mahadev is a hard-working and very purity and spirituality program, and take the 6 months to rehearsal.
Is that right?
Yeah.
So how many cast members did you have?
We have 75 people working, dance, drama, and light effect, side effect,
Yeah.
and all these are working very hard.
How is this a adaptation of a certain script, or did you write this whole new
This script I write it myself,
Yeah.
and the dialogue by the Dr. Sarita Mehta.
Oh, I see. So, is this written in like Hindi, or is it in like a?
This is written by the Sanskrit, Gujarati, English, and Hindi.
Oh, I see. It's a
Okay,
combination.
Sanskrit. Satyam Swayam Prakashita.
Yeah.
Satyam Swayam Prachalita. Satyam Sadev Priya Ishware. श्री मदनवती परम शक्ति वदती जन कल्याणम. जब आप सत्य का सेवा करते हो तो जन कल्याण हो जाता है. इस तरह से यह हमारा हर हर महादेव एकदम सारे ऑडियंस को प्रभावित कर गया और सभी लोग खुश हो गए.
I can tell you, because I was there, taking pictures, and I was so absorbed in the entire program. I could see every artist having put so much effort into the whole show. I mean, it was just a magnificent show, and as I said, I took more than 600 pictures.
I thank you very much, Doctor. You did very good job.
Oh, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Dr. Sarita ji, maybe you can tell us your role in this Har Har Mahadev.
Actually, when he came to me, script, everything was ready. I tried, with the blessing of God or Param Shakti, with this spiritual journey, try to write the dialogues with each and every justifying, with the time management.
Oh,
So
I see.
dialogues were written by me.
So, when you write dialogue, is this in Hindi or is it in English? Or?
The same
Hindi
thing
and
just he
Sanskrit.
mentioned. It is a combination of
All the
Hindi and
languages,
Gujarati. Few places we need Gujarati.
Oh, I
few
see.
So it is a combination of all the things.
All the
depending on-
languages.
Is
yes.
that right?
Yes.
Because I have been involved with Ram Leela for last
Yeah.
5 or 6 years, and I also study Bhagavad Gita at night and listen to Bhagavad Gita at night. And after studying all the 86 episodes of 1986 Ramayana, I wrote this Ramayana screenplay, and I'm going to give it to you as a.
Oh, thank you very much.
gift.
So appreciate.
you
Oh,
got
it's so
this
beautiful.
is like a 3-hour screenplay written in English,
Oh, great.
taking the extract of all those almost 76 or 86 episodes of
Yeah.
Ramayana from the
Congratulations, you
1986
written this one.
series. Yeah, that was all in Hindi, and then I have written this in English.
Yeah, very
Maybe
good,
one of
very
these
good.
days we can get this as a stage play or
Live production.
Yes, that's
live
very.
production.
I am glad to that one.
Absolutely.
It will be really.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching a Triple N talk show. I am Dr. Nick Nikam, and my special guest is Master Trivedi, who is an expert in dance, music, and also stage shows. And next to him is Dr. Sarita, who tell us about your involvement with the university, Rice University, right?
Yes, in the
Yeah.
Rice University, actually, I was teaching Hindi language and Indian culture, and it was really fun. Not only our Indian students were there, and I am really feel proud also, and it was so good. All Chinese, Koreans, other community people, they really, I was having most of them 80, 90 people every semester. It was really fun teaching them culture.
Very good.
That's fascinating. Oh, okay, let's talk about your Madan Dham, your cultural and spiritual program.
Okay. Shri Madan Dham is now located in India, Bhakhara Nangal Band. And there is a practical spiritual education center in India is the first. You come there, you learn the practical. And what is the God, goddess, everything they give the general knowledge. And Sri Madan ji, right now in the world, they convey the message of the Vishwa Bandhutva, और उसका जो मीनिंग है उसी तरह से आज धीरे धीरे सारा वातावरण तैयार हो गया है.
That's fascinating. And you teach spiritual classes also here in Houston?
Yeah. Meditation.
Oh, I see.
Meditation मैं सिखाता हूँ और प्रैक्टिकल ज्ञान भी देता हूँ. जिसको जो भी आध्यात्मिक में कुछ ज्ञान चाहिए तो मैं उनको सिखाता हूँ.
That's fascinating. Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching Triple N Talk Show, which is video streamed through YouTube, and please do visit our YouTube channel, which is Nick Nickum, where we have more than 1,000 videos accenting our experience here in the United States. We also have a Facebook page, which is Triple N Media, where we bring you the latest buzz, and we would like you to please do like our Facebook page. Okay, let's continue with this Har Har Mahadev. And how did you put the audio and the video track together?
The dialogue is live.
Live. Oh, okay. So the dialogue.
So we don't take the recording because all the performance in United States, I have seen that one. They are audio, but we do the live, and a live performance impact, convey the message, expressions, and dialogue is superb.
That's true. Yes. Okay, and what about the backdrops and all this?
The background, we take the appropriate atmosphere, that's like a Himalaya, like a different type of birds flying, like a jungle, like when the Pralay Tandav start, so all the universal, how the earth is clipping.
So how did you put together all these 70 people together? I mean, it is so difficult to get 4 people to.
I know. This is the grace of the God. If we wish that happen, अपना इच्छा शक्ति होना चाहिए कि मुझे ये काम करना है, आप जरूर कर सकते हो. और वो हम इतने सालों से करते आए हैं, क्योंकि दिस इज सेवा फॉर द समाज, our community, our American Indian community.
Saritaji, do you have another question for him?
Yes, actually one thing I wanted to ask. आज के युग में जैसे हम किया तो है, बना भी लिया विश्व बंधुत्व ने, आप क्या योगदान दे सकते हैं विश्व बंधुत्व में और आगे कैसे करेंगे?
देखो सरिता जी और निकम जी, बात यह है कि भी हर चीज का शुरुआत अपने से करना पड़ता है. खुद ही को कर बुलंदी इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा खुद बंदों से पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. अगर आपने शुरू किया, महात्मा गांधी ने अपना जीवन आदर्श किया, इसी तरह से हमने विश्व बंधुत्व का एक आदेश दिया, तो धीरे धीरे सत्य की राह पे राइटोस पर चलने वाले सभी ज्वाइंट हो जाएंगे. सभी को राइटोस पर चलना है, लेकिन माया ने उसको पलटा दिया है. और आज हम उस राह पे आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, और हम चाहते हैं कि कई और लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे और नई जनरेशन के लिए एक नया राह बताएंगे.
बिल्कुल.
That's fascinating. Master Ji, maybe you can tell us, I mean, you met a lot of very prominent people all across the globe. Just give us an overview of all the different people you have met in your journey in music, dance, theater and all this.
ऐसा होता है कि भी हर प्रोग्राम के बाद कोई न कोई चीफ गेस्ट भी मिल जाते हैं. अभी यहाँ यूनाइटेड स्टेट में एक हमारे बॉलीवुड का आना जाना बहुत ज्यादा है. पर हमने तय किया है कि हम लोग अभी इंडिया में जाके परफॉर्मेंस हर हर महादेव करेंगे. तो अमिताभ जी से और नाना पाटेकर, जॉनी लीवर, सलमान खान और सभी, और शीला जैक्सन जी, टॉम ब्रैडली, all the mayor of the United States, they give me the key of the city because of the noble cause.
That's
Thank you very much.
That's wonderful. Okay, let's talk about what is your next project.
My next project is we want to unite it. आज सारी दुनिया इतनी खलबल में मची हुई है, कहीं भी शांति नहीं है, और हम चाहते हैं कि अपनों से शुरू करो शांति. एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि सारे विश्व में अखंड भारत बनेगा और शांति बनेगी.
That's wonderful. So you want to bring
But
peace and tranquility to the entire
Or the
universe.
entire world.
I see. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fascinating. Oh, okay. And also, you can tell us where people can get in touch with you.
My address is 10202
Yeah.
Club Creek Drive, Houston, Texas 77036 और मेरा ईमेल है masterjitrivedi@gmail.com.
Okay. What is your ultimate goal?
My ultimate goal is convey the message of the brotherhood, love, peace.
Yeah.
देखो एक मेरे को बहुत अच्छा अभी कुछ सुबह में आया के
Sure.
someone love, other one love,
Yeah.
both love same time, purity of the love. God blessing a universal brotherhood, peace of harmony, no difference between you and nature.
That's fascinating.
very nice, very nice.
Dr. Sarita, you have any final question for him?
No, it was really prayer, and we are working for this brotherhood, and I will be with him.
Or
And-
we all are Houstonian
Yes,
with us, and we are doing
thank you.
a great work for the Vishwa Bandhutva.
Wonderful, Master.
Thank you very
It's a
much, sir.
pleasure,
Thank
meeting
you.
you
बहुत
and
बहुत
having you on
अच्छा।
our program.
Thank you so much.
Sarita ji,
सभी सुनने वालों को भी मेरा थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have been watching a Triple N talk show. I am Dr. Nick Nickham, and my special guests have been Master Trivedi, and next to him is Dr. Sarita Mehta. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please do visit our Facebook page, which is Triple N Media, and like our Facebook page, where we bring you the latest buzz from around the world. Until next time, we say thank you and bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.